Hey, need to run LLMs locally on your own machine, but not sure how to get Ollama set up? In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to get it running. Stick around until the end. To get started, head over to our official website and grab the installer. It's the essential entry point for deploying the core runtime and all the foundational AI resources your system needs. Alright, we've got one more phase of the installation to go. It's a bit heavier than the previous one, so it might take a few moments longer to fully unpack and configure everything. Installation is officially complete. Now let's verify everything is working and pull our first local LLM to test the chat. Downloading models can be a lengthy process, but thanks to the magic of editing, you'll be up and running in just a few seconds. As you can see, the model is almost finished pulling. That means your local AI environment is ready to perform. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.